angels, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I wanted to share with you guys, I have been seeing this challenge around on YouTube and I've been wanting to do it for a while now. I just didn't know how to approach it. So it's called the Alphabet Challenge. I have my notes over here, so excuse me if I'm looking down. So what it is, it's you go down the list of the alphabet on what makeup you're gonna use first. For me, it would start with B and it would be blush and bronzer. So I have my list of different things that I'm gonna be using. So I have B, C, E, F, H, L, M, P, and S. And I will show y'all and let y'all kind of like give y'all a description on what I'm gonna be using. So if you want to see this video, I'm a little nervous because I normally start with primer on my face because it's kind of like a, you know, when you're painting, you like to have like a clear canvas. So I'm nervous to try this. I don't have any makeup on or anything on right now. So if you want to see this challenge, keep watching. So the first thing that on the alphabet is B, and it is for blush and bronzer. So I have my brushes over here and then I have my makeup. So where did you guys? Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna be using is blush. So I have two B's, one is blush and one is bronzer. So I have this Alternative Rock, The Balm from Stevie Nickel blush that I'm gonna be using. Oh, okay. Forgot to tap off. Getting to the other stuff. My face feels really dry right now because I didn't put any primer on yet. Okay, so then the next thing is bronzer, and I'm gonna be using the Morph, and the color is Blogger. How fitting. Concealer, which is next, and I'm going to be using my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade Sand, which is 20R800. And let's see. And you don't want to mess up what you already have, so you just have to put it where you really need it. So the next thing I'm going to be using is contour, and I have my LA Colors contouring stick that I love. So you're just gonna contour. Bothering me, which I already said, is my face feels really dry. Okay, so the next thing is Eyebrow Gel and then Eyebrow Pencil. So normally I outline and then do the gel, so we're gonna see how that's gonna work out. So The gel that I have is by Ardell and it is in medium brown. Okay. Now I'm going to move on to my brow pencil, but they are wet right now. And I'm gonna be using the LA Colors brown pencil, just the pencil part, not the highlighting part. Okay. And just kind of line. Okay, looks decent. So the next thing I have are the E's, and it is eyelashes, eyeliner, eye primer. Okay, so I don't use eyelashes, eyeliner. I can try the eye primer and the eyeshadow just for the video. So let's do that. So for the eye primer, I go in with my H Rewind as a primer, and I'm gonna put that in my on top. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the eyeshadow, and for this look I'm gonna be using this little palette from Beauty Benefits Hollywood, and this one is, it has these different shades. It has like a little berry color, a gold shimmer, and then a light creamy color that has a little bit of shimmer in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the, let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and use the berry one first. This bronzy color next. Color, and I'm gonna put that in the middle right here. Okay. Now that that nightmare is out of the way. The next thing on my list is F for foundation. Oh my God, this is horrible. Okay. So I'm gonna be going in with my Fuera. I use the shade 105, which is Sand. So now that that's done, now the next thing is highlighter, and I'm gonna be using my ColourPop, and let's see where I'm gonna put this baby at. Okay guys, so the next thing on I don't use lip liner, lipsticks. I just basically, from day to day, I only use like lip balm. So it's either lip balm or lip stain. Mascara, which is my saving grace because I look dead right now. I'm going to be using this mascara that I got in my Ipsy March bag, which is the Seraphine Botanicals. Okay, so my camera cut out because I had a phone call, but I went ahead and finished my eyelashes, or my mascara, so I did that. And now the next thing is powder and primer. So I have my banana powder right here, and I'm just gonna get my little brush and tap a little bit on, which is gonna be heavenly because I'm obsessed with my powder. Okay, and then primer, face primer. Let's see how that's gonna go. I'm gonna be using this Milan Prime Light. Oh, my face is itching because it's so dry. So let's do this, you guys. Put a little bit of primer. I'm so nervous. Okay. So I'm just gonna tap it in. Oh, this feels good. Okay. Oh, you can see all of my pores. That's horrible. Okay. And then the final step is a setting spray, which I am going to be using my Instant Ready Physicians Formula. Oh, yes, that feels so good. Okay, so you guys, this is the final look of the Alphabet Makeup Challenge. If you guys have any other challenges that you want me to go ahead and do, just comment down below. This one wasn't that bad. It was just, the only thing that was irritating me was that my skin was so dry, just because I'm used to putting like a primer before I put everything else. But hey, it's a challenge. Whatever you guys like, let me know. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And I don't know, that's it, you guys. I don't think it's too bad. Like I said, I'm gonna have to start working on my eyeshadow makeup just because I'm not really too familiar with it. But if you guys have any tips, comment down below, let me know. If you have any like beginner videos, just link them down so I can go ahead and check them out, because I've been looking at some recently. I just need to know like some better techniques, I guess you could say. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.